Wait, before the video begins, I'm giving away 1,000 Robux right now. Here's me giving it away to one of the users that won previously. Now to enter, just keep watching.
Quick! Before the video begins, I want everyone to get the secret admin Robux code. Like this video or you won't be able to redeem your Robux code and get some serious Robux. Hurry! Before we start, here are the winners of last video's 1000 Robux giveaway. Wow, so many winners. It's so easy to win. To enter our 1000 Robux giveaway, like the video, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so I can notify you when you win. And finally comment your username so you can get the free Robux. The group is in the description. Let's get started.
Whoa there guys. I know it's been a while and everyone wants some major Robux. Well guess what? It's time I showed you 3 ways to get free Robux as well as give you a secret Robux promo code. If you want to learn all 3 ways, just make sure to watch the whole video. The dawn is out.